This one was on the market for a little while and it needed a complete gut. Someone bought it and did the remodel, but they didn't quite finish. They ran out of money. So now a new owner has this home and they have completed the work. It's actually really cute inside for a great price. It has a really nice layout and a lot of the tile work is really beautiful. So check it out, let me know what you think. If you know anyone looking for, kind of on the smaller side home in Granada Hills for a pretty decent price for a completely remodeled home, then I'm your girl. All right, this is 8803 El Rey Boulevard. We're in Granada Hills. This is the 78737 zip code. So we're in Oak Hill. Again, we're in the ETJ, extraterritorial jurisdiction, which means that there are no city property taxes on the homes that I give tours on in this area. The tax rate on homes in Granada Hills are 1.78 versus the 2.21 that you will pay in the city. This home is 1,760 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's on 3/4 of an acre, so let's check it out. There was someone in here doing some work, so I wasn't able to turn all the lights on, but I really like what they did here. This big island is the centerpiece of the home. You don't have a huge living room, which I think is probably why the home has sold. You have plenty of room for a nice little modern couch and a TV. We have lots of storage here. Looking at the pantry, this is right off of the kitchen. So going down this hallway, this is on the back wall of the home. Here's your laundry area. That door goes into the spacious 2-car garage. We have some really cute tile work. Oh, sorry, this is not the primary bedroom. This is the office. So right to the right is the backyard. And here is a quiet little office space. It could also be a guest bedroom. It could be a nursery. It has a door and a bathroom, and so it has lots of privacy. The backyard is here, so 3/4 of an acre. The entire yard is fenced, the whole perimeter, so if you have dogs or kids, they will stay inside. I love that big oak tree in the back. That's one of the best things about Granada Hills is the huge mature oaks that we have. You can see there the contractor doing some work on the fireplace. It's a really pretty stucco fireplace. There's some nice tile details in the bathroom, pretty little penny tile on the floor. And then these kind of cool concrete tiles in the bathroom with a neat insert. Don't you love that I use the word neat? It's so descriptive. Okay, bedroom number 2 here. Bedroom number 3. They all have the accordion doors. So here's the primary. I like that they put that high window in the accent wall. It just breaks up that dark paint a little bit and also brings a lot more light into the room without sacrificing any privacy because it's nice and high. I am a fan of closets with built-in shelving and storage. The worst thing you can do, I think, is have a big closet with no shelving and no hanging racks, so you just have like a big hole that you have to figure out. So I love that. And for a not huge house, I mean, this is 1,700 square feet. This is a huge master bathroom. All right, turning the lights on. You have so much storage with the above countertop cabinets on both sides of the vanity. Here we have an exit to the backyard from the bathroom. You have a nice shady area here with these lovely oak grove. I would hang a bunch of Christmas lights in there. Put some cute outdoor dining here on the patio and call it a day. This is a big shower too. They did 2 inserts in this shower, giving you a place for storage and a window. I think it's cute. So to recap on the layout, you have the 3 bedrooms here on this side, that's to the right of the kitchen and the dining room, and then that office, or the 4th bedroom, is over there to the left, back behind the kitchen. As always, like this video so I know what kind of content that you enjoy seeing on my channel. And if you subscribe, you'll never miss a home tour. If you are looking for a home in Southwest Austin, or really any other part of Austin, and you'd like me to do a video tour to show you what it's like before you relocate, I'm happy to do it.